Yo, what's up, guys? This is my like 7th video or something. I will show you how to make a silencer. Right, it really doesn't do anything, but it makes it look cool. But this is it. I added it to my one gun. I have it masked up so it doesn't get the barrel, but down, I don't know. I cannot find down there. You can't really see it, but it's almost dry. It's kind of shiny. That's dry, but that isn't. But I could probably take the tape off, but I may not too. But I just, to fill up the gap because it was a little bit bitter, I took leather and put it in there so it would be tight. But you can do it by 1-inch PVC. I have it about 10 inches, 10 or 11 inches. But yeah, that's all for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll make another video. I make videos every couple days, or if I feel like it. But I'll see you next time. Peace.